Hey everybody, it's me. And like I promised, I will be showing you how to make this Yoda. Now it looks a lot like the Yoda we made that I call my favorite Yoda, but there is one difference. I managed to find a way to do a hood on this thing. Now that hood is tricky, and now let me show you how I made this. Oh, and for those of you who don't know, actually none of you are gonna know. You see, I actually just made up the way I made this Yoda. Now, anyway, let's get started. Now, to make it involves a half sheet of paper. Start by the bottom, kind of like you're folding a paper airplane. Fold these corners into the center. Like this. Give them a good crease. Like this. Now, fold it up to about here, about there. Does it look like Yoda yet? Not at all. Now fold this up to about where you'd like it. I'd like to do about here. Whoop. About here. Now, the hood. Take this corner, this point, and fold it down. This is gonna be what his hood is. I'll slow down. See? Now take this and fold it over like that. Unfold. And do the same on this one. On this side. Now, this is tricky. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in if you need to. Push it in so it turns into a kind of a point like that. Now feel free to rewatch that if you need to. Now you're gonna just squash that point. Like, feel free to rewatch that bit too. There, that's the hood. Now from here on, it's gonna be a lot like the Easy Yoda. Flip it over. Unfold it into and then fold it into thirds. The robe, it might be hard to get that robe because of how many layers of paper you're folding. Now we've made, again, Yoda's lightsaber if he had a chubby lightsaber that had a hood. Anyway, now we're gonna pull this out. Now what I did now what I did on this one, I did something different with this one, so I'm gonna have to, so I cannot do that. Now to make this hand, what I'm gonna do is just fold it, push it over like this, squash here, tuck anything back if it's sticking out at all, put his robe back. There you go. You see a little hand right here. In fact, I'm gonna try to pull that out a little more. Try to get it as close to the edge as possible to make that hand. Now, take this corner and fold it this should be familiar for Yoda and Darth Paper because of the fact, but you're not gonna fold this too. Fold the other side. Fold the other side over like this. What I like to do is get the point underneath here for this side, just in case it happens to stick out at all when I put his row back. Feel free to flip it over. Make sure they look even. They look pretty good. Last step. We're gonna fold the top down, and there you go. Origami. There, we got Origami Yoda. Now let's draw him a nice wise face. Sorry, my pen is bad. He looks very wise. And there you go. Origami Yoda. Like I said, most important part, he works as a finger puppet. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed folding this Yoda with me. Instructions for folding a lot of Origami Yodas and different characters are in the books, on the website, or right here on YouTube with my channel, Tom Engelberger, or anybody out there basically. And also, before you go, do not forget to like, subscribe, to like, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. There, I think I fixed up his head a little bit. Well, and I hope you I hope you enjoyed folding this with me. And I think Yoda is going to say, and it doesn't hurt to put a piece of tape in here, just so you know. Anyway, and I think Yoda's going to say, "May the books be with you," especially if it's the paperback edition. Well guys, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time, and may the Force be with you. Always remember, the Force is with you. Goodbye. May the Force be with you always.